guys, good morning po sa inyo. Hindi na naman tayong bumabalik. So ngayon, team building muna guys. Set aside muna natin ang work. Kaka-stress ang work. So for the meantime, team building muna. Hey! Alright, thank you. So good morning guys. So ito yung second second island. The island called Malipano. So nandun po yung main island. Yan yung parola. Hi guys, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. So nandito po tayo sa Malipano Island. This is the second island po here in Pearl Farm Beach Resort. So I just want to give you a quick tour. So here are one of the kids club namin dito. So you can see the amenities po. Aside po sa 6 villa rooms, meron po infinity pool. Yan, just want to give you a quick tour. Meron ding ano dito, pond. So at least guys, nakapag tayo dito. At least nakabisita tayo dito because of the team building. So merong nagkukumpuni dyan. Please bear with it. So ito yung bar. Yan. Bar. Very nice setup guys. So far, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. So, thank you.